Welcome to another video. Here we want to find the value of x, where we have root x plus 2 equals x. But at these two sides, the left hand side is of radical form and here is a linear form. Now we want to know the satisfied value of x. Now let's see how we can do this. So we have various methods of solving this, but let's see the first one. Here where we have root x, by taking 2 to other sides, we have equals x minus 2. And next we are going to take the square of both sides just to cancel this root. And by doing that, we have root x raised to power of 2 equals x minus 2 raised to power of 2. And when this and this cancels each other, we have x equals the expansion of this one gives, so we can write it in 2 times as x minus 2 open bracket x minus 2. And next we have, let's say we expand this one, we multiply x by x, and we also multiply x by minus 2. We multiply this one by this and we multiply this one by this. Okay, so here we have x equals x times x is x squared, and we have x times minus 2, that is minus 2x, minus 2 times x is minus 2x, and minus 2 times minus 2 is plus 4. Okay, and next we have x equals x squared minus 4x plus 4. So after having this, the next thing we are going to consider here is by taking x to the right hand side. So where we have this remains 0 equals, when this is coming here, it becomes negative. And we have this as x squared minus 4x plus 4 minus x. So here we have 0 equals x squared minus 4 minus x is minus 5x. We have this as plus 4. So here is a quadratic equation. X squared minus 5x plus 4 is a quadratic equation. So here we have x squared minus 5x plus 4 when we try to rearrange it properly. And again, we are going to factorize this because the middle is the sum and here is the product of the root. So we look for two numbers. The numbers are minus 4 and minus 1. Minus 4 minus 1 is minus 5, and minus 1 times minus 1 minus 4 is 4. So therefore we have x squared minus, so here becomes minus x, and here is minus 4x plus 4 equals 0. And next we are going to bracket this as x squared minus x in bracket by taking out negative here, so this becomes 4x minus 4, everything equals 0. Okay, so we are going to take out a negative here because this one must be positive when we expand the parentheses. So what is coming here is x. We factor it out and here becomes x minus 1, and what is coming here as well is 4. We factor it out and here is x minus 1 equals 0. And next we are going to take this and this together as their coefficients. Since we have x minus 1 common, here we have x minus 4 in bracket, and this is x minus 1, everything equals 0. So to get the root, we let this equal 0 and we let this equal 0. So for the first one, x minus 4 equals 0. The second one, x minus 1 equals 0. So we have this as x equals 4 and the second is x equals 1. If these are the two roots gotten from this equation, now we must verify, because we can't just conclude that these two satisfy the given problem. So let's try to verify. By verifying, or let's say to check, so by checking, we are given root x plus 2 equals x. Now let's check for when x equals 1. If x equals 1, we have square root of 1 plus 2, and we know truly that this is not equals to 1 because the whole of this is 3, and here is not equals 1. Okay, so at x equals 4, by checking this as well, we are going to have square root of 4 plus 2. We know this equals 4. Why? Here is root 4, which gives 2 plus 2 equals 4. And it means that x equals 4 satisfies this problem. And here is one method of solving this. So I'm going to show you another method of solving this, but I may not solve it fully. So instead of letting this, of having root x plus 2 equals x, so we are going to make an assumption that we should let y equals root x. That is, when we have y equals root x, we can also have it as y squared equals x. So we just try to do the replacement of, if this is root x, we change it to y plus here is 2, everything equals y squared. So we can consider this by having the replacement rearrangement as y squared minus y minus 2, everything equals 0. And here is another quadratic equation, so which you can also solve. So when we solve it, we also get the same value as we did here. So that is how we look at it in different perspective of solving a math problem. So thanks for watching, and if you find this video interesting, please do well to like, share and subscribe for more exciting content. See you in the next class. Never stop learning. Bye bye.